To kill mushrooms, first put latex gloves on to keep potentially poisonous spores off of your hands while you work. Then, pull each cap out of the ground by hand. Put the mushroom caps in a plastic bag and discard it to keep the mushroom spores from spreading. Mix 4 parts water with 1 part horticultural vinegar in a spray bottle. Mist the soil where the base of each mushroom was sticking out of the ground. Continue doing this for 5 days to ensure that the mushrooms don't grow back. Alternatively, you can work a fertilizer high in nitrogen into the soil where the mushroom caps were growing to kill the roots. You can also mix 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters of dish soap with 2 gallons, 7.5 liters of water, and pour this mixture into the soil to keep the mushrooms away. Keep in mind that a small patch of mushrooms is actually good for your lawn and is a sign of healthy soil.